Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we are going to discuss SQL between operator. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will add another column in my table, employees table. I will add another column as salary and I'll set it decimal 18 comma 2 for storing decimal numbers. Save and go to employees and edit, and I'll add 5,000, 3,500, then 15,000, 25,000, 18,000, and then you can say 19,000 and 22,000. Okay, so this is our employees table. Now we will understand the SQL between operator. So we have a scenario: list all employees whose salary is between 10 to 20,000. Okay, so how to apply this between operator? SQL between operator is used to specify select records on the basis of range. Look at this, we have range 10,000 to 20,000. So in this case of range, or you for example your boss says display the report of recent sales from this date to this date, or your boss might say that display all products from this price to this price. So in this case, in the case of range, you should use between operator. Okay, so we'll cover this use case over here. So I will select all from employees, and then I will select where operator and where salary between. Okay, let's make sure salary column is over here. So we have salary column. Okay, so salary between 10,000 and 20,000. Okay, so execute this one. Look at this, we have 3 records: Shahid Hussain salary 15,000, Zishan salary 18,000, and Yasser Ali salary 19,000. If I reduce this one to 5,000 or 8,000, execute this one. Look at this, we have only, let me increase this one, and look at this, we have now 5 records, and we have got another salary: Saeed, whose salary is 25,000, and Ahmed, whose salary is 22,000. So for example, if you have another use case, display all products whose price is between 50 to 200. Okay, another use case you might use: display all records of sales from 1st of January to 12th of 30th of December of this year. Okay, so these are the use cases where you should use this between operator, and this is very useful operator you should use. But in cases of date, you or in cases of this, you can also use our another operator we have learned earlier. You can use greater than equals to and less than equals to. This is very useful in case of dates, because between operator might not work with the date, or might show incorrect records, but this is the what we can use as opposite to this between operator, and this will return exact results. Let's make sure control and we'll paste greater than equals to and salary less than equals to. Okay, now execute this one. Look at this, this is perfectly working, but let's make sure copy this one over here and paste it over here and use between. between and write 5000 over here, and remove this one salary from here. Okay, understand, you should use this one a lot of time. Okay, and I will make 5000 over here also. Okay, so first we will use this between statement. Execute this one and look at, we are getting 6 records from 5000 to 22,000. But if in case you wanna return greater than 5000, so you should use this one. Okay, click on this one. Look at this, we don't have records of 5000. If you click execute this one, we have 5000 record over here. If you don't want to display the end range, you wanna display less than, then you might use this one rather than less than equals to. But between also include these values. Okay, but with these operators you can include or exclude these values which you are specifying in this SQL select statement. So I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please share, and we'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.